top brokers that accept Mpesa in Kenya. Number one, we have Forex. Forex is one of those brokers that is located in Nairobi here in Kenya. So in case you want Forex training, you want to begin trading with a broker in Kenya, you can try Forex. So Forex accepts Mpesa. You can see that here the minimum deposit is only 1,000 Kenyan shillings and deposits are instant. No fees are charged on deposits. So that is also a plus. Number two, we have Olimtrade. Olimtrade is known very well for fixed time trading in Kenya, but it also offers forex trading. So you can see on the deposit methods and withdrawal methods that it accepts M-Pesa deposits and withdrawals. So in case you didn't know, now you know. Olimtrade accepts M-Pesa deposits in Kenya. Number three, we have Xness. Yeah. So in case you are already trading with Xness, then you know that. In case you haven't tried trading with it, then this might be new. But Xness is also one of those brokers that accept M-Pesa deposits in Kenya. The minimum deposit is only $10. It's instant for deposits and withdrawals. Then of course we have our very own FX Pesa. So FX Pesa also accepts M-Pesa deposits. It also accepts other mobile payment methods like Airtel Money, and of course there is Skrill and Netela. So in case you want to deposit with, you want to start trading in Kenya, you can try those forex brokers. Then of course there is FXTM. Forex Time accepts local African local solutions, which also include M-Pesa and also includes Airtel Money and Equitel payment methods. So in case you want to start trading and you've chosen FXTM, then know that it accepts M-Pesa. Then of course there is XM Forex. If you have an account with them, you already know that they accept M-Pesa deposits. If you don't have an account with them, you can go ahead and create one, knowing that they accept M-Pesa deposits. Then of course there is Binomo. So in case you're trading with Binomo and you've not seen that M-Pesa payment method, just be patient, be calm, know that it works with M-Pesa and AstroPay. So in case you want to deposit to Binomo with M-Pesa, just click on the AstroPay payment method, then you will be redirected to this page here. Go ahead and click deposit, then you will be redirected to the next page and the next, and you'll be able to make your deposit with M-Pesa, Equitel or Airtel Money payment methods in Kenya. Then of course the last one is IQ Options. IQ Options accepts M-Pesa deposit in Kenya, although today it's under maintenance, but every other day if you check on it, you'll notice that it works. So those are some of the top brokers that accept M-Pesa in Kenya. In case you want to more, click on the link on my bio. You can also click on that plus sign to follow us. Until next time, bye.